Hello, I'm Eli Stacy, and today I'm going to give a quick tutorial on how to use the ViBox downstream of your switcher to delay the program output. On the ViBox, we can take an input and put a delay of any amount on it before being sent out of the system to air. For this, we can use either the ViBox Micro for one channel of delay or the ViBox Mini 4 for two channels of independent delay, which is what I have set up here. At the top, I have my two inputs coming from the upstream switcher being routed to program 1 and program 2. Let's start by setting a delay of 2 minutes on the program 1 output. To do that, we'll go to the Go to Set Delay dropdown and set a delay on program 1. It opens up this window where I can set the delay in hours, minutes, seconds, and frames. So for 2 minutes, we enter 000, 2, and it'll fill the rest in with zeros when I press Go. And I now see that the time code for program 1 is 11:53, or my current time code is 11:55, exactly 2 minutes in the past. Now let's set a second delay for program 2. To do that, I go to the same dropdown and set a delay on program 2. This time, let's do 15 minutes. So we press 00, and then we enter 15 for 15 minutes. Again, it'll fill the rest in with zeros. I press Go, and I now see that the time code here is 11:41, and my current time code is 11:56. Again, exactly 15 minutes in the past.